Hey gut feeders! So today we're going to talk about celery juice again and diarrhea and loose stools. Is it normal that you have loose stools or diarrhea, or should you stop with drinking celery juice? This question is probably the most popular ever around celery juice. I'm gonna sip that throughout the video because I really like it. Welcome to the lake, by the way. There are just two options for you. Either you reduce the celery juice or you stop it. The first question I ask you, if you come to me as a client and you say, should I stop with the celery juice? I have loose stools, diarrhea. Then I ask you, the first question is, what do you feel? Like, what's your intuition? Second question is, what are you eating? What's your diet? Third question, what are your symptoms? Here's a little bit of help how you can decide what's best for you. Now, if you feel, option number one, you have loose stools, a little bit of diarrhea, and you feel you're overall getting better. You have more energy, the bloating is less, you feel your symptoms decreasing, maybe there are some skin flare-ups and stuff like that, but overall you're feeling better. That's a good sign. That means your body is cleansing, you're actually recovering, and the celery juice is working for you. By the way, guys, in general, celery juice, it's not like chemotherapy, it's not like antibiotics, it's not medication, it's a whole food. It's made for you, it's dripping. It's made for you to heal you. So that's just to keep in mind whenever you drink that. Also drink that with the feeling that this is a gift from life. I've got clients who are doing the celery juice for a year and they still say, oh, they're having loose stools after drinking the celery juice in the morning. They have like a bowel movement and it's pretty loose. It's not completely diarrhea and watery, but it's loose. And then I say, like, you know, that's completely fine. Your body has its own timing of releasing toxin. It takes time. It's still doing the job. There's so much stuff that we have in the gallbladder, in the liver cells, inside the gut, inside the colon. This is all cleansing. You know, it's all happening, and it's not just done with 1 week of celery juice. So option number one, you feel better overall and you have loose stools. Keep going, keep drinking the celery juice. Option number two, you have diarrhea, loose stools, and it's painful, you don't feel well, your symptoms are just increasing, you have bloating more, maybe you already have like severe gut issues like Crohn's, colitis, SIBO, although this is awesome for them, but maybe it's a little bit too much for you. If the first question that I ask you, how are you feeling? If you feel like, oh my God, I can't do this, I have to force myself, I'm in pain, I need to take painkillers maybe because I take celery juice, then this is not a good option. Really, I encourage you to make this healing journey smooth for your body. If your body reacts like that, it's too much. It's still powerful and it's still healing, but it's too much at this moment in time. Important note here, what I asked in the second question, the diet. If you keep on eating eggs, dairy, corn, gluten, soy, all these trigger foods that feed pathogens in your body and that make chronic illnesses worse, you're gonna have more pain, especially with the celery juice, because you're splitting your attention. First, you do healing movements, but then you drink coffee, alcohol, you eat corn and dairy and stuff like that. The diet is really important. I've had clients and they're eating weeks and weeks already a super clean diet. They do the celery juice and they still feel bloated, they have symptoms, and they don't do well with that. Again, same thing, stop it. Stop it, don't drink it, or you just drink a little bit. Understand how your body works with it. Just like 8 ounces, 4 ounces, whatever you can do. Maybe you just snack a celery. And at the same time, I encourage you to include cucumber juice. Why cucumber juice? Because it's a little bit more gentle. It's very, very healing for the liver because it contains fruit water. Fruit water is different from normal water and it goes directly into your cells. So option number two, you drink less celery juice and you include cucumber juice, which is 2 cucumbers juiced in the morning. You can also, again, do that in the evening if you feel like it. And the third tip here, guys, apart from clean diet, is supporting your body to detox. Offering detox support in form from Hawaiian spirulina or Vimergy spirulina, which Medical Medium right now recommends. It's also a great product. Barley juice, grass powder, wild blueberries, lots of fresh fruit, whatever you can eat, whatever you feel like your body can tolerate, eat that. Whole foods, healing foods that your body don't have symptoms with, eat them. And then over your healing journey, you can include other foods that you had problems before with, including the celery juice. This is such an awesome topic. I love talking about celery juice while drinking it. I want to know from you in the comments if you experience this, if you experience loose stools, diarrhea. Let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you like to share your healing journey with celery juice or what you did, the Gut Feeler community is interested to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.